separate entries for men and women. Disinfection and observation of primary hygienic measures are completed before proceeding to their respective change rooms. At the separate change rooms for male and female employees, secondary hygienic measures are observed before carrying on to their assigned areas of work. The reversal of this procedure is followed on exiting the factory premises. Raw material and packing material entry and storage, and packing material entry and storage. Vehicles entering the premises through separate raw material and packing material entries are permitted into the unloading bay after a thorough security check. After a vehicle and document inspection, the material is unloaded onto the pallet and taken for de-dusting, weighing and labeling. It is then placed in the quarantine area. Material dispensing. The material in the quarantine area is dispensed on receipt of the Batch Manufacturing Record, or BMR in short, labeled, placed in the cage trolley and transferred through the pass box to the staging area. The dispensed material is then carried forth to the production area through the SS material hoist under controlled conditions. Granulation. The material to be granulated is taken to granulation 1 for FBP or roll compaction, or granulation 2 for RMG through the cage trolley, depending on the process requirement. It is then granulated according to the BMR after a reconfirmation of weight and is then recorded. The blended granules are then labeled and transferred to the in-process material store. After a consistent quality check and analysis, they move on to the next stage of processing. Compression. The compression machine is set as per tablet specification, and the granules are compressed as per standard parameters. The compressed tablets are dusted, checked for metal contaminations with an online dust collector and online metal detector. Each container is weighed and labeled before filling. Samples drawn are sent for analysis along with test request forms to the Quality Control Department. The tablets, transferred to the core tablet store, proceed to the next stage after a consistent quality check. Coating. In the coating process, the tablets are loaded into the PLC system-based auto coater, and the process parameters are set as per BMR specifications. During the procedure, the weight gain and uniformity are checked and monitored at regular intervals. On completion of the process, the coated tablets are unloaded, weighed, appropriately labeled and inspected. Only then are they transferred to the coated tablet store, where, after a quality check, they are moved on to the next stage. Packaging. The packaging department is multifaceted at Bafna. As per customer requirement, the products are transferred to the respective packaging areas like alu blister packing, strip packing, bulk counting, blister packing. The packing process is totally automated with camera system, autocartonator, leaflet inserter, pharma code reader with online batch printer, weight checking machine and shrink wrapping. The tablets, packed in the primary packing area, are transferred using conveyors to the secondary packing areas. The in-process quality assurance personnel ensure that samples are subjected to analysis by the quality control department and then transferred to the finished product quarantine for a final quality check, after the testing and approval of which it is transferred to the finished product store for dispatch. The process for capsules follows the same procedure. Bafna Pharmaceuticals